Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking peony plants today and what to do with them when the summer's over.
All right, DIYers, outside now, and as you can see, our fire bushes have made the transition from summer to fall colors. How cool is that? Very pretty. However, to the peony garden, as you can see, right now it is late November. I wait this long because I like, as the time moves into the fall and cold season, the behavior and the characteristics of the plants kind of transition into that spooky Halloween / Thanksgiving look to them. And I like that. I'll let the temperature rise a bit and we'll get started. As you can see, a lot of frost on the plants. As you can see, the sun is just shy from topping the tree line to give us some more heat. And I've got a pair of handheld clippers here. I'll get in position and start cutting. Coming down into the root area, the flower bed mulch, basically the surface is higher than the roots themselves of the peony plant. Goes down about another inch. This is important. What we are going to do is we are going to use the soil grade or base of our mulch and add an inch or maybe an inch and a half and begin cutting. We change camera angles. Again, the base of the mulch itself as opposed to deep into the root. Inside here are what's called eyes, and in the event that you cut the eyes, the plant will not bloom peonies in the spring and summer. In addition, if it's a new plant that you just put into the ground, you want to make sure those eyes are above the soil grade. And they're little balls down here. You'll see them when you're planting them. And again, about an inch and a half up, and I'll begin cutting. Be careful as you cut. You do not want to cut your fingers. That would not be good. No need to rush it. This will go very fast because these stems are extremely friendly to cut. As you can see here, we've already basically finished the first plant. And here's a view from above. Check that out. Looks like the corn's being cut by the combine today. What we'll do now is continue down the peony garden and cut the remaining plants. Coming into this plant, what I want to show you is you can notice the difference in stem as it gets down to the soil grade right there. See that? Cut above those. Here's a top view of the plant we just cut. Making progress. And there's the pile of peonies. We'll see you in the spring. And a quick middle of winter update, DIYers. As you can see, the snow on the ground, it is a cold, gloomy, overcast sky and day. We'll see you in the spring. All right, DIYers, it is early spring, and you will notice there is life at the root of the peonies, and some are taking off a lot faster than others. Check that out. Some are about a foot tall. The one way out there is definitely the largest, and right here seems to be the shortest or slowest growing. No problem there. So as you can see, cutting them down to nothing in the fall leads to rebirth in the spring. All right, DIYers, 2-week update, and these peonies are showing incredibly healthy signs of life and growth. And we've been lucky. It's been raining, and then we have a few sunny days, and then it rains again. These are almost 2 feet tall, and they're greening up. Really nice. Again, 2 feet tall. I'll give you another update here in a few weeks. 2-week update, DIYers, and as you can see, these peony plants are doing well. Combination of a lot of rain, a lot of sun, and water from our irrigation system. And they are 2 feet tall, maybe more. And these were the ones that were a little behind, but they're doing very well. Let's go over to this one over here. I'm excited about that one. And as you can see here, we're just a few weeks away from beautiful blooms. I'll keep you posted. All right, DIYers, 2-week update on the peonies. We love these. They're doing very well, growing in a very healthy manner. And remember, these were tiny, now they're huge. They're actually taller than the one that was biggest in the beginning of the video. And can see all the buds, and let me kind of zoom in on one. You can see all the ants on it. And if you don't know, I didn't know years ago, and I've learned several things about peonies over the years, there is a wax on the buds that it takes the ants to eat off. It's a very sweet wax, apparently, and the ants eat it off, and without the ants eating off that wax, the peonies will not bloom. And if you take them inside, pre-bloom, basically, they recommend soaking them in warm water to get that wax off. However, outside in nature, it is the ants that do the assistance to get those buds ready for bloom. And it's also important to know, if you take these inside after they've bloomed, well, just carefully shake them off just in a friendly manner to get those ants off. I don't know if you can zoom in right here. Let me kind of hold this steady. And you can see a little bit of that wax or foam. These are incredible. Let's zoom in right here and kind of hold that steady. See an ant moving right there. You can see that little guy at work eating all that wax off. Oh, they're beautiful. We love them. Sorry about the wind. It is a windy day. All right, DIYers, I said I'd give a 2-week update. However, it has only been 6 days because I wanted to show you we've got one peony that has bloomed out of the entire garden. And it is beautiful. Check that out. And all of the other buds have the ants working away at them to get all that wax off to allow those buds to bloom. I don't know, I'm thinking another 7 to 10 days, we will have a beautiful garden of peonies. 2-week update, and in the last couple days, these just started blooming like crazy. Look at those. Beautiful. 2 brand new shiny flamingos added to the garden. Gifts from my parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad. We love these. An awesome addition to the garden. How cool are those? This plant had a bunch of buds and peonies on it last year, but it's way behind. However, I do see little buds and ants working away to try to eat that wax off, but definitely way behind the others. Very pretty. Check those out. How cool is that? DIYers, we just wanted to show you this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Real quick, DIYers, I feel this is very important to share. It is now the next season 1 year later. And that little trick or tip I was talking about with those eyes, we actually just prior to winter worked on that 3rd plant in, as you see here. The one that was not blooming at all last season, and now look at it. Minor adjustment right before winter, and it's the first one that's really taken off in the next season. And as you can see, fast forward 1 year, the plants themselves are a lot bigger and fuller. Here's a 1-week update, and that minor adjustment on that 3rd peony plant in did everything. It's the same size as all the others. It has a lot more flowers on it. Thanks again for watching.